In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or simply looking to expand your payment options, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to get your online store set up to receive payments through credit cards smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to your dashboard. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your site, so it's the perfect place to start. From the dashboard, you'll want to find and click on Settings. It may seem like a small step, but getting accustomed to navigating quickly to this section ensures you can manage your site options more effectively. After you enter the Settings section, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. This area is dedicated to all things payments, and it's where you'll adjust the settings to enable credit card payments. Now, depending on your location, especially if you're in the United States, you might notice that the option to connect and accept credit card payments is readily available. Wix automatically aligns available payment options with your region to make setup as straightforward as possible. However, if you don't immediately see what you need to start accepting credit card transactions, don't worry. Simply click on See More Options. Wix provides a list of additional payment methods here, broadening your choices beyond the common settings. If you're still not seeing the right option for your needs in this section, just continue by clicking View More. This extends your range of third-party payment options, some of which may be uniquely suited to specific regions or business types. The ability to offer a variety of payment solutions can be crucial for international customers, so take your time exploring these options. Once you have located the service that's right for your business, click Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions, which are designed to guide you through the process of linking your chosen service to your Wix store. This part is typically straightforward, but be sure to read each step carefully to avoid any issues. And there you have it, a clear path to integrating credit card payment options on your Wix site. If at any time you encounter questions or technical hurdles, Wix's support resources are excellent and can provide further assistance. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to follow. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help enhance your online presence.